Hello people, welcome back into this channel, and in this video I would like to show you the way how to lock application on your iPhone with the passcode or Face ID. So the first thing you have to do is just make sure that you already activate the passcode ID and Face ID security for your phone. And whenever you do that, now we need to visit the shortcuts application by go into the app library and just type shortcuts on the search button and open the shortcuts. Whenever you already open the shortcut, you just need to go from shortcuts to automation, and in this automation we just need to go click this plus button and create the new personal automation. In this part we need to scrolling down until we find an app, and now we need to choose the application that we want to lock. So here, let's say we want to lock this calendar, and then you just need to go click done. And now we just need to go click next and add the action for your automation. Just go click this add action, and in the search button just type a lock, and then you will find this lock screen here, and then you just need to go click the lock screen. And now after that you just need to go click next and turn off this ask before running, and just go confirm it you don't want to be asked, and go click done. And now let's check the result. Open the calendar, and your phone will be automatically locked and only be able to be unlocked whenever you use your face or passcode on your phone. So that's the way how to lock application on iPhone. Hopefully this tutorial today is useful for you. So don't forget to leave some comment, like, and subscribe into this channel, and I'll see you for the next video.